the beginners in the group here, this is for you. This one's called Tangled. It's very simple to do. If you're new to this, this might be one that you should try first, honestly. This quilt block measures out, it finishes out at 10 inches square, and it's made up of 2.5-inch square pieces of fabric, okay? And we only have two types. I chose a print. So you need 12 of whatever print you use. Here's another one as an example. And you need a background color. I chose white. You need 13 of those. So if you've got 12 of a print and 13 of a white, you're in business. So I'm going to kind of lay this out for you, 5 squares at a time, that you can see how this goes. And when I'm done, you can screenshot that, because that's going to be the order of everything. Now, there's no half square triangles involved in this. There's no difficult seams involved in this. That's why I love this for a beginner project, honestly. And I'm going to show you the back of this while I'm laying this out. I have pressed all of my seams open on this. You can see that. It's good practice, again, for a beginner to see if you can actually manage to have those seams lay nicely like that. The back should look almost as impressive as the front. That means you've done a really good job, okay? So as you can see, these are very simple. Because they're 2.5-inch squares, you can cut them out of jelly roll strips, because they're already 2.5 inches wide, or you can just cut your own version of that. I just cut my own strips out of some yardage. And so here we go. If you want to screenshot that, that's the placement of everything. I'm going to take some threads off of here. And then, like any other quilt block, we join them together in twos. I would join these two and these two, these two and these two, and then add the third one. Then I would do this. I'd make them into a square, and then fold the square over. You keep folding it as a sandwich in different directions. That's just the way that I do it. And you don't have to do it that way. But the Tangled Quilt Block is very simple. I made a few other colors, and I want to show you these, because when you lay these together, there's something else you need to know. If I laid 4 of these Tangled Quilt Blocks together like this, yeah, they're pretty, but they don't connect. They don't really do anything. Oops, sorry. I want to show you them all in the same direction. They don't connect in any way. So what's important is give a couple of them a turn. So this fabric line connects here, it connects here. And if you connect it there, you are starting to make something. When you step back and take a look at it, you're starting to make a really beautiful pattern. So yeah, and it all just comes from this one simple block. So Tangled Quilt Block, give it a try. I hope you all will like us and subscribe to us. And as always, happy sewing.